Welcome to the Continental Refrigerator service video page. Prior to startup and before placing any product inside of your new model, the interior of the cabinet should be thoroughly cleaned. Remove the protective film from all interior sides, bottom, and other internal metal panels by working the corner loose and slowly pulling the film back. Washing with a mild soap and warm water solution is recommended for cleaning the aluminum and stainless steel surfaces of your cabinet. This should be followed by cleaning with a baking soda solution with 3 tablespoons of baking soda to each quart of warm water. Wipe down thoroughly with a damp cloth or sponge that has been soaked in clean water and wrung out thoroughly, and dry with a clean, soft cloth. An important note is to never use harsh detergents, cleaners, scouring powders, or chemicals when cleaning your model. Failure to dry the interior surfaces after cleaning may result in streaking or staining of the metal. For any additional questions on how to clean your unit, please visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com or call our factory at 800-523-7138.